How to lock Netflix profile in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can lock Netflix profile in mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically lock your Netflix profile in mobile, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application. Netflix, you can add up to 5 profiles and you can lock each of those. So here you can see some of the profiles are locked. So if I want to lock them, before we had to do this from a browser, but now we no longer have to do that. We can simply open Netflix, then tap on the edit button from here. Then you'll be able to see the profiles. You can simply select a profile, and over here you can see this option called profile lock, add a 4-digit pin. So you can select this option, simply tap on create profile lock and then enter the lock, and then you should be able to lock that profile. This way you'll be able to lock Netflix profile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.